Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that every single time I upload a video, you will be notified. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what and all I got from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So I got a huge parcel over here, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you guys one by one what and all I got. Most of them are my essential products and I have restocked them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm just gonna open the parcel. I have bunch of things. Let me just show you guys what and all I have. First thing which comes here is the Swiss Beauty, the famous concealer. Let me just open and show you guys. Yeah, so this is the concealer. So I'm in the shade medium beige. And another one, oh actually I have ordered another concealer. Okay, I think, yeah, so this is not my shade, so that's the reason why I have placed another order as well. This is in the shade warm sand. So this is one thing, and I have one more concealer which is actually color corrector, but unfortunately I'm so yeah, this is the another one which is in the shade orange. 3 concealers from Swiss Beauty. So I have used one of the concealer earlier, so I have liked the coverage, so that's the reason why I have ordered another one. So I can use this as a contour and this one as a color corrector, definitely, which I wanted. The next thing is another essential. This is the Nykaa Serial Kisser tinted lip balm. So I wanted a tinted lip balm, although I have recently ordered the Laneige lip balm, which is my go-to and holy product which I always use. But I wanted sometimes to use, tinted lip balms just if I'm going for workout or something. I just don't want to apply lipstick, so that's the reason why I have ordered tinted lip balm. A mini highlighter. So this is how it looks like. Nothing fancy, just a simple highlighter. I wanted a highlighter, so I got it. Yeah, the another thing is that this eyeshadow. So I was eyeing on this product, but this product is always out of stock. Mars is such a good brand with affordable prices, so that's the reason why I got it. And let me just open and swatch few shades for you guys. So yeah, so as you can see, this is how it looks like, such a beautiful shade. So that's the reason why I've ordered this, and I'm pretty much happy with the shade. Then next comes some of my restock I haven't opened yet. This is Simple Pairs body wash, and it comes with a loofah as well, so this is that. And then I have ordered a Vaseline body lotion as well. Again, I have ordered a huge tub, 450 ml of huge bottle, but I cannot carry that everywhere I go, so that's the reason why I have ordered the mini one. So these are the essential products. Next comes my hairspray. This is the first ever time I have ordered hairspray, because I'm someone who cannot put something on my hair which damages my hair. Although I use straightener and curlers, but then by using curler my curls were never intact, so that's the reason why I thought let's just order a hairspray as well. Let's see, I'll not be using regularly, only frequently on occasions I'll be using, so that's the reason why I thought of investing in this. But the only drawback, I would say, that I wanted a smaller version, but I could not find, and this is the huge tub I have to like a larger bottle I have to order. But let's see how I'll be using this. So this is that. So this is another parcel which I got. I haven't opened yet, so let me just open the parcel and let's see what and all we have in it. So I've ordered couple of things from K Beauty as well. So this is that box only. Although they have like 20 to 25% of off on their each product, but still they had one more offer. If you shop somewhere around of 1200 rupees, then you will get a free lipstick, which is worth of rupees 799. But again, this was on sale for 599. So however, you are getting a bullet lipstick for free. So the first thing is this K Beauty foundation. So I was looking for a good coverage foundation, although I think this is not a high coverage foundation, but I think you can build this. So this is a buildable foundation. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a pump, and have got very good reviews about this. I didn't know the correct shade of mine. So the best thing you can do, you can go to the a nearby store, any store. You can go to Sephora or maybe Nykaa. There are like many Nykaa stores as well, so you can go check your shade, and then if you think the prices are varying between offline and online store, then you can definitely go and get it from online. So that is what I have done, and I just wanted a foundation, but because there was an offer that you will get a free lipstick, so I thought why not add one more product. So the another product which I got is this kajal from K Beauty. So this is how it looks like, simple kajal. So this was around 225 or 250, and this foundation actually cost for about 1200 usually, but I got it for 950. My shade is 135 medium. So this is what is my shade, and I got this lipstick free, although this is like hot pink shade which I usually don't prefer. Anyways, I got it for free, so why not, you know. So I'll swatch this for you guys. So it glides like a butter. So this is how it looks like. I might use as a blush or maybe as a lipstick as well, but I might mix some other shade with this, so I can definitely use this as it is. So this is what I got from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So yeah guys, this is my mini Nykaa haul. I hope you liked it. If you like so, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.